With all of the talk of expanding Edmonton's cycling network over the coming years, this next story will remind you of the risks that come with it.
Eric Cito spoke with a cyclist who got a nasty surprise in the mail after he got into a crash with a motorist.
Cyclist versus motorist. It's an interesting question Rylan Kafara has been thinking about a lot recently. After getting into a crash, Kafara received a bill from Wawanisa Insurance to pay $6,200 or have his license suspended.
It was surprise and shock and a lot of dismay as well.
Kafara was cycling in the city's northeast in September 2013 when he pulled up to a red light and hit an SUV. Kafara got the worst of it. His injuries kept him off his feet for a number of months. Adding insult to injury, receiving a massive bill he wasn't expecting.
I was hooped completely. And it's a big worry that this could happen to somebody right now. Somebody could be getting in an accident and be going through the same thing.
Legal experts question the insurance company's motives.
It's unusual for me to see these kinds of claims for these amounts, let alone, against a cyclist. When it's coming from a lawyer, an insurance company lawyer, they're banking on the person receiving it being frightened and at the very least entering into some kind of a settlement arrangement.
According to the Traffic Safety Act, a driver's license can be suspended when a person does not pay a judgment from a vehicle accident, but it only applies to motor vehicles. In this case, it's not clear whether the bicycle is considered that. Experts are recommending people get some form of liability insurance.
I don't want to be overly paranoid, but if you do a lot of biking, for the cost of the insurance to have some peace of mind, it's not a bad idea. I mean, the bikes are on the road just like other modes of transportation are on the road, and things can happen.
Kafara says he plans to fight this, but is warning others about his story. Fork up a little cash now and save yourself a lot of trouble later. Eric Cito, Global News.
We tried contacting Wawanisa Insurance earlier today. No one was available to comment.